Asking everyone not to rush to the exits. Do not rush to the exits. Do not rush to the exits, please.
Try kill me, you dog. And them try kill me, you know. And them try kill me, you dog.
No, we will be tracking this story.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers who already know the thing set. Bless. You also know the story incomplete if made upon the beat and as can see upon the screen. One piece of excitement, my people. One piece of excitement. And ting-a-ling-a-ling, one piece of embarrassment. As I should be saying, because boy, all of this could be avoided. You know what I mean? As you know, Jaii Frais has been taken into police custody after he was released from the hospital because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, somebody I forget arrested and charged for this reckless behavior that took part one part a big while after party. You see me I say, and in the midst of this mayhem, people, one American, they get pumped. You see me I say, and now he is talking like he wants to sue because him say, oh, him go at this event and, you know, the organizers never have proper security. The man a shell out the rascal at ambulance that was on staff because it look like just a prop ambulance, you see me I say, and them can't even assist nobody. You know what I mean? One bag of something and you know they talk traumatized, financial stress, X, Y, and Z. So somebody's going to pay financially for this, and I think it's going to be the organizers and Jahvy. Because they was the aggressors, they've rushed, you know, the man at the restroom and box him up and him take away them strap and slap them up. You know what I mean? And this American said within 5 minutes of him entering the venue, bam, him got knocked with a stray one. This man said, so this is not a good look for tourists coming to Jamaica and being in these type of predicaments. You know what I mean? So the best thing I can say for Jaii Frais is after he, you know, defended himself, he went and gave the tolly to the police because this reminds me of Taxstone try-off situation. Taxstone, the blogger, did a pressure the rapper and buck him one Manhattan nightclub and, you know, put the strappings on him and then bodyguard just say up top, drop out. But Try-off was able to disarm Taxstone and return fire. But the only thing he did wrong was leave the premises with the firearm. You see, I said that's why he ended up do some time in a jail because you're not allowed to possess none of them things there in New York if you don't have your license, you see me? So that's why you see the police take Jay in for questioning now because they got to get down to the bottom of this. Who is going to be charged for this? And I think that Jahvy and his crew would be charged. Jaii Frais is obviously going to sue, you know, these people and ting-a-ling-a-ling. You see my say, but I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. Somebody needs to be arrested, you know what I mean? And Jaii Frais is going to tell film side of the story and probably be vindicated. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic. Mr. out of Jamaica, you see me? Okay, people, Shauna Chin basically comes out and says she's not a groupie. All of this after another video of her and Vybz Kartel goes viral. As you can see, they're up in the club during his son's birthday party and she just bend over so and just making my ramming and a jam it. You see my people problems in the comment section because she is watching them. You know what I mean? And she is seeing that the people that is calling her groupie and all of these good stuff, you see me? Because, you know, she and Vybz Kartel follow me on, you know, Instagram. And, you know, this is just mix up and entertainment for me. But the people that must say, boy, K would I never do this. You see, I say, because, you know, him and K just get a recent divorce and then pick up Shauna Chin and things. And this is why they send 10 points is a groupie himself. You know what I mean? So I'm not going to say nothing about the world boss and film thing. You know what I mean? And this is why she come and says she's not a groupie because she said, oh, a 20-year-old friendship becomes a groupie.
In jail.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So the tattoo them go say, she make sure put it right in her giant.
No,
that means she love me over 10 points. Listen.
Baby Shauna Chin is not used to being in a relationship. You see me, I say, so that's why she's saying stuff like that. But any woman out here and any man out here knows a big disrespect. That's why Kartel have to be checking her and say, remember 10 point and all of these things. You know what I mean? Because a girl did a rush for wipe off him face when two other girls did it could have wipe off, you know. And then your boss is calling you baby and all of these good stuff. You know what I mean? So that's why the people in my troll, you know. But like I said, it's just entertainment around here because them I make jokes, so we are make joke too. You see me? Anyway, people, let's proceed. Now time for a little bit of T-list mix-up. As you can see, Rosealee gone back a save you, you know, my people. She left for good suburbs. For God on a save you for carve havoc on the poor people, them, you see me? And this time she bring knife. You see me, I say. But Ivan is upset that police is not arresting her. Yes, and it seems like me don't know the people them have sense for all for go about press charges and them thing there. But that is what Ivani and Shay them is saying, because them go live with, you know, Rosalee's sister for explain the situation. Before we hear what them have to say, let's just, you know, take a look about what transpired before that. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh, God. Laverne, I make no nice side here, mommy, you hear? Make sure rest. You're not blood clot joke with Uno. Last time me burn yourself. I'm not gonna get it. So them report sunshine, cash up and paper, they beg the money for Laverne. That's how they wicked. Jesus Christ. This a pure evilness.
So that can stop me.
Jesus Christ.
Look for me back.
Laverne, show your mother. Laverne, take time. Nobody show your mommy. And you man have a mother and own sick, you know. Me say, Rosealee, you wicked to your mother, man. Oh, God, man, crying. And you man have a mother and own sick, like you can't when somebody was so fucking evil, no, man. You have a mother and the own sick. Yes. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Wicked girl, you're evil.
I fear foolishness. You need to tell the police to back knife fire again, yeah?
Not tell them nothing. Police them reach me there. But this is a move. It's actually a TV show. Run come, Musu.
Why should we wait until Agle come for your hype?
I don't know, say no long she in a bar and I say no. How long she now? She wait till her friend them come before she start playing music. And then I wait till June come and I wait till Rosealee come. Then I wait till Rosealee come for you start go on and chat up your mouth. You're not bad, Musu. Musu, you're not bad. I don't make the Musu. As somebody who don't want to be chatting to them, I don't have time for this. Somebody you want to come in a fighting with you. You want money from somebody. I don't have no money. I don't have no money to give you.
And now let's take a listen to what Ivan and Shay have to say about this whole ordeal.
What's going on?
What I say?
Lammy, what is going on?
You know I see?
It's dark at night. I can't see nothing. You really going to let Rosealee keep doing you like that? Every day, lamb chopping, come in your yard, he mash up your gate, he come back again. When this is going to stop? Are you going to let you kill you? Are you going to put press charge on her? Why don't put a restraining order then if that's the case? You know, want lock her up, you know, want fight her. Put a restraining order. She can't step in on the premises. I can't, brother. I'm not gonna make Rosealee kill you now down there. Laverne come out of the tree yet.
What are we tree?
The people them say Miss Laverne in a tree.
Vanny where? Oh.
I swear to God that there's the Laverne in the tree.
Mommy, come here.
Oh God, man, it have to stop for true. You understand? Say sister, you don't want to fight her. Put a restraining order so she can't come at the house. Miss Laverne, you alright?
No, not really, but you know.
Miss Laverne, you not. Are your daughter, you don't want to fight her, understand? Why you don't put out a restraining order then? So Rosealee cannot kill. You gonna make Rosealee kill you off down there?
I'm gonna do that, auntie. I'm gonna do that.
You don't know one day probably that their head take her and she come. Coward stop can kill you. Put a restraining order out where I make them send it to our yard and documents. So you're not to put place. You're not supposed to come to the house. You should come down there. Yeah, if she come down, the police themselves are gonna lock her up.
I'm not living enough fear. I'm not living enough fear. The police not doing nothing because I'm not living enough fear. The police them come while ago and tell them to just come back now for me and them do nothing.
What you need for the law? Listen. What you need for the law, if you're serious about your life or your mother life, you need to come on TikTok and go look what attorney fee or make them give you a lawyer. And you go and you explain everything to the lawyer so that the lawyer can put in documents so that you and your lawyer shouldn't have to come in. You and your lawyer got courthouse in the after tree. When the judge grant Rosealee to come at the courthouse, she have to come. Now it out of the police and it in a judge hand. And then your lawyer take it from there. Because since that lawyer did it, when police now help you, you get an attorney. Attorney put in papers and when you go to court and the judge will stamp her and tell her, say you're not supposed to go to this property. You don't live there. And you see if she big and bold and got up on her own, you have the video and everything and your lawyer put in back paperwork and then I'm going to lock her up. You know a joke too, it's the police not help you have to try another way. Go get one attorney for put in papers for can't go to court and make them know say listen. You know want to lock her up, but you want a restraining order for she stop come in your place, stop come mash up your place, come mash up your fridge, come kick off door, come in your yard a bat knife pan you, she could have kill you. Could have kill you. Go to the courthouse with an attorney, get a one lawyer. I make them put out a restraining order. You're scared for your life. Because if she have knife now, Rosealee not care about you know. One coward stop can kill you. Go get something and put out and make Rosealee cannot. It a go. You know, tell this thing for a joke thing. Because Rosealee not joke with una alone a joke. When she have one and una get up, we are going to know. Stay there. Rosealee not think now and the devil are working as she unless she then cause she could never interfere, right, man. Every minute you're going on the yard to fight your mother, your sister. Now you're going with knife and the devil in you. And every day you come on the internet and say Akeem love you. If Akeem didn't love you, where's Akeem for try to come see you now? He have to see live them. 10,000 people over our live. I road me depend when me get in live, so you're the live. So always him enough to see it. I care you no care, so make you can't call for your Bobby. And say Bobby go on home. No say anything you tell her she listen. Why you can't call her and tell her to go home or talk to her and say mother to your family that leave them alone. Stay up a fear part. Should I listen?
Right now, if Akeem I listen to this, like how I usually love and I usually listen to, if I see this tell her so she want to beg her please to leave my family alone. We're tired of her now.
You don't care, Dad. If you care, would I tell her to leave you alone and should I listen?
Darling, go on your bed, darling. Go on go sleep, darling. And it's the next day. Go on go sleep, darling. Go on your bed.
Yes, alright, you do to Lamika. Police gone. You know why police gone? Because police take on for a big papi show. Every time Rosealee do something on the door, press charge for her. You see if you when people tell her to press charge, you know means if a press charge and I go lock her up, because regardless she gonna get bail. But you know what gonna come after that? You're gonna get a court date for appear in front of the judge. See, you don't really have to lock her up neither. If you press charge, she's going to get bail, yes, but you're going to win at the end because guess what? You don't have to get a court date for go to court, go see a judge for why you press charge board. Then and there when you go to the court. Then and there when you go to the court now, you just make the judge know, say, listen, I don't know if I lock her up. I don't want you to buy back my fridge, yes, and put out a restraining order because you're scared for your mother life. Show them the picture when them did bust your mother head. Show them so they did bust your mother. She can't run money for police, she can't run it for judge. She could have run any money per month in a sea view. She could have run any money per police. She can't run them for a judge. You mad? That's why the people that say, press charge pan her when them lock her up, when the town have to get a court date. When they go to the court, show them how she bust your mother head. The live have proof, you can go record it back. Show them so she come and she mash up your fridge, because everything she record and she fool. Show them so she come back again with knife to come stab you up since night. And you just want a restraining order. And them will tell her to stay a distance from the house. And if she ever broke that and go down there, hands. You're run joke, you're not serious.
One bag of scenting in the night. Anyway, people, we're not going along with this no longer, As you know the deal already. If you haven't subscribed to the King, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell there for you to be notified when we drop the latest in dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.